Still a little chilly, but I think I'm gonna try to get a little something done today. I see some things that need to be pulled out, especially in this flower bed. I don't like these here boards here. They don't sit up straight. I'm thinking of something else to do with them, and you will see the outcome later. But it's a beautiful day. Get some sun and just come out and get some air. This little deck, we hadn't put any mulch around it, so we lifted it up the other day and put mulch underneath it, and I like it much better. It's almost time to bring my little table out. I like to come out here and have my tea. It was a little wobbly, but it feels pretty sturdy now. Now these beds are ready to plant. Just waiting for the temperature to get a little warmer at night. I'll be ready to go. These are some things that I started in the house. These are onions and all brassicas, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and I just brought them out today, and I'm going to see how they do. The sorrel is coming up, and this stuff over here is looking great. Made it through the winter. Just waiting on them to get a little larger now, before the bugs come out and try to eat them up. This is a small area outside the fence that I'm preparing because I'm going to try planting some potatoes here. I was told the deer don't bother the potatoes, so I thought I'd plant a few out here to test it out. But the rest are going inside the fence. But I want to see, because that'll give me a lot more of growing space without fencing it up if they don't bother them. Made some progress. I just have to put a border around it now, and I'll be ready to plant. Well, this day has been amazing. I hope you can hear me. It's a little windy. But I want to show you what I got accomplished on that potato bed. Here it is. I put some leaves down first. Then I put a mixture of soil and mushroom compost. So it's ready for the potatoes. As soon as I know the weather is going to stay warm enough, I'll be planting them, and I'm going to put straw on top of them. I'm not going to put them down in the ground. It started raining yesterday and it's still going. The week has ended. I didn't get as much as I wanted to get accomplished because the weather didn't cooperate. I only had 2 good days, but I did take advantage of those days. Today it's in the 40s and it's raining, so I came out to the greenhouse and I said that I would clean it up and get ready to put some starts out here. These shelves here are what I'm about to tackle. Just have a lot of junk here. I'm not going to do a lot in here. I'm going to direct sow most of the things that I'm going to plant. Well, that's about all. The little greenhouse kept the rain off of me, didn't keep the cold off of me, but I got this here shelf ready for my starts. So until next time, this is Lady P. Peace and love. I'm out.